How to unlike Reels on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to unlike Reels on Facebook app. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook app. Sign in to the account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down. Tap on Setting and Privacy. Select Settings. Scroll down and look for the option of Activity Log. Tap to access it. Scroll down and choose Your Facebook Activity. Now tap Manage Comments and Reactions and tap Filters at top left. Choose Categories. Now choose Likes and Reactions. And these are all the likes and reacted posts and reels. You simply need to locate particular reel that you want to unlike. Tap on the three dots and tap on unlike. So in this way, you can easily unlike reels on Facebook app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.